All right, what I want to go ahead and share with y'all today is a template for an e-commerce funnel template, how you would do one. First off, what you would do is with an e-commerce funnel template, you would have a product. All right, you would have a product on a landing page, and it'd be like, hey, you want this free plus shipping, or you want this for this price with free shipping. One of the two. Those are I mean, you're gonna do one or two. It's either gonna be free, just pay for the shipping, or when you get it, it's gonna be just pay for the shipping, and no, he's gonna be pay for the product and the shipping is free. So when you do that, they already hit like, okay, I want that. Okay, that's what I want. So they'll put their email address in right there, or the name of their email, and they'll hit, take me to the product. So in that in turn, they'll go straight to the product. Now it's crazy. This product can be an Amazon product. This could be a product that you actually got off another drop shipping site or something, and it shows right there. Okay, go ahead and order it. So they're gonna order it. Then on top of that, they might see something else or order something else, but it's gonna be a great product. So once they order that, they're gonna pay for it. You're gonna send it to them. They're gonna get some email information saying the order was sent out, and on the back end, you're gonna have a payment for it. All you gotta do is, get the product and send it out to them, and then you keep the rest for profit. Now, this template seems pretty easy, right? But you're still gonna probably need a little bit of help or whatever. But that's what I want to show you. I want to show you a great product that's gonna give you a cloud-based funnel system that it's just pretty much going to be seamless how easy it's going to be. I mean, you're going to be able to create that same funnel that I just told you about in 60 seconds or less. All right. There's this product that I'm overly enjoyed about. It's called Insta Ecom Funnels. Instant ecom funnels. Yes, you're going to make your own funnels in 60 seconds, man. Glenn Kalowski got this and it's banging. All right. So click the link below, check it out, and get started and create your own ecom empire. Peace.